Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aldous Kislaki Kamado from 11th STEM Judgment, and I am your reporter number 8. And I am tasked to answer two problems. Let's begin. Problem number 1. A sculptor is creating a large spherical marble sculpture for a city park. The marble sphere has a radius of 3 centimeters. What is the volume of the sculpture? So here in our first problem, we will use this formula, which is volume equals 4 over 3 pi times r raised to 3. Solution. Volume equals 4 over 3 pi times 3 raised to 3, where we will get 27, and then we will multiply 4 over 3 to 27, where we will get 36 pi. And then 36 times 3.1416, that's the value of pi, and lastly we will get 113.1 centimeter cube. Now let's move on to our last problem. Problem number 6. A local ice cream parlor in Tagaytay sells scoop of ice cream that are perfect spheres. If the radius of one scoop is 4 cm, what is the volume of a single scoop? So here in our second problem, we will use the same method, just like how we did in the first problem, where we will use this formula. Volume equals 4 over 3 pi times r raised to 3. Solution. Volume equals 4 over 3 pi times 4 raised to 3, where we will get 64, and then we will multiply it to 4 over 3, where we will get 256 over 3 pi, and then we will multiply 256 over 3 to 3.1416. Again, that's the value of pi, and we will get 268.08 meter cube. And that's all for today. Thank you everyone for listening.